Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add phone number to your Roblox account. Now to do that, open the Roblox application first. Now once you're at the home page, what you need to do is tap on the dotted lines on the very bottom right. Tap that, and here on this page you need to tap on settings. Tap on settings. In the setting page, you need to tap on account information on the top. Tap that. In the account information, you will have all the information of your Roblox account. Now here on the setting page, you will have the option of add phone number. You tap on that. Now from here, you will be able to add a phone number to your Roblox account. The first thing you need to do is choose your country code. That is the country that you're currently living. Tap on the drop down menu and from there you choose your country region. Then below you provide the number and then tap on add phone. To make these changes, you will need to type in your Roblox account password. Type in the password on the text box and then tap on verify. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile number of yours, which you need to type in over here on the text box. There's the Roblox code. Tap on copy and you paste it over here on the text box. Tap on paste and then tap on verify. This will verify your phone number for the Roblox account and the number will be added as well. So this is how you can add a phone number to Roblox account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.